Scangrip offers a full range of specialized LED solutions for UV curing. UV Extreme and UV Extreme Plus are the far most powerful UV lights in the world, designed for UV curing of large paint repair areas up to the size of a car door. The UV lights feature a built-in timer from 1 to 9 minutes. No heat is produced on the panel or paint while curing, making it safe to use on heat-sensitive materials. With the Scangrip wheel stand, the UV lights can easily be positioned in the requested height and angle. Use the built-in Bluetooth functionality for safe and remote control. For more information, visit us at Scangrip.com.